Hi guys, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to show you how to change the lead of a mechanical pencil.
Excellent, you said it right. Good one. Okay, so
So the first thing you do is this. You have to pull it out.
So if that lead feels dull,
Push it at the bottom. And then it pops out.
and then that end pops out.
Then I have a new pencil.
And so do it again. Nice and easy. Keep your fingers out of the way as much as you can. There you go. So you pull it out. Oh, is this one tough? Oh my. That's funny.
Now I just
Okay, so when that lead gets dull,
Mhm.
so it gets worn out because she's busy being studious, writing, and not drawing on my table. Then she takes it here.
It's close, Mama.
Okay, so then she takes the lead out, and if you look down the barrel of it, show us. Just hold still. I'll move. You can see the other one. Okay, push it in. And there it goes. Excellent, Chloe.
And it gets sharper and sharper and sharper as you go.
Each lead has a sharp end, but as you use it, it gets dull.
Like this?
D-U-L-L, dull. All right,
Yeah.
we are off to school, so what do you say?
But he said hashtag Amelia Clever.
And hashtag Chloe Perry.
You can follow me on.
We're going to be getting you up and going pretty soon, baby. All right, love you guys. Have a good day. Now you know how to change a mechanical pencil.
Mwah.